If you have wide white walls on your classic ride, you've probably run into this too. Problem with these cars is that the tires want to yellow, the white rubber wants to yellow, and it even on this car where it hasn't even been off the lift yet since we put the tires on, and we've already got some yellowing going on the white walls. When the tires are brand new, right after you get the blue off, they tend to be a little susceptible to this until they get cleaned a few times. So we're going to kind of go over quick the process to clean up this white wall so it looks nice and shiny and white again. What we'd start with usually is we take some water and then we kind of wet down the whole tire. This will kind of clean things up, get us started here. Good thing to use is like some sort of abrasive cleanser. And that would be, in this case, Barkeeper's Friend, also Comet or Ajax. And this has a very mild abrasive in it. It works good for getting in here and really deep cleaning the tires themselves. After that's on, I like to dry them off and then come back after we've got it cleaned some. I like to use a product called Bleach White. I know some guys that just like to use the Comet or the cleanser and they'll be satisfied with that. I like the Bleach White. I think it gets the tire a little whiter. And the idea here is to get it on and let it actually soak into the tire a little bit. And we'll let that stand for about 2-3 minutes. Okay, we've let it sit for a few minutes, and now we're going to just use a soft bristle brush and kind of scrub up the white walls, get anything that's still giving us a little trouble, and we'll get that cleaned off. Kind of work in our white wall cleaner a little bit. And then we'll just wipe them off and wipe them clean at this point. And that'll clean up the white walls and make them look a lot whiter. You'll, you know, it's a process. Like I say, as the tires when they're brand new, they tend to, I don't know if there's like some oils or materials inside there that want to leach out, but they tend to want to do that a lot at first. But once the tires get a little age on them, you'll find they clean up a lot quicker, and in no time at all you'll be able to keep your tires looking really good. And at about that time you'll probably have those tires wore out and you'll need to replace them anyway. A little bit of elbow grease and you'll have your tires looking like new again, and your car ready to go on the road.